Hi everyone, welcome back. Excuse me. Welcome back to my channel. This is a muskrat air gunner. Today I'm shooting my Hatsan pile driver 45 caliber. I'm shooting custom lead solutions 350 grain hollow points boat tail. Shooting my 50 yards, gonna see what the group like, but this is the first time that I've shot them, so we're going to shoot them up there at 50 yards. Open them up here. Boy, it's a hot day. It's a hot day today. We're going to shoot 3 shots up there at 50 yards and see how they group out of the Hatsan pile driver. And this thing has got some power to it. It seems like it likes heavier slugs better than it does lightweight slugs, so we're going to see. So everybody hold on and we're going to see up there. Gosh, I like that sound. This thing is a powerhouse. One more shot, and then we're going to go see how good they group out of the Hatsan pile driver. And that looks pretty good. So we're going to go up here. We're going to go up here and see what they done at 50 yards. We're going to walk up here together and see. See what they done. And there's 3-shot group at 50. Pretty good. 2 of them's touching, and then that was the first one out of the gun. Filled up to I think about 3,900. Started out, but that's pretty darn good right there. At 50 yards, so 350 grains. So I think I might put the air up again and see what they do. I think up there about 80 yards where Mr. Groundhog is. So hold on a minute and I'll go wire the gun back up and then we'll shoot it up there. It's already got looks like a 1 shot out of something on it, but we'll go see. So hold on. Okay, we back here again. I aired it up, put some air back in it. We're going to shoot 3 shots at about, I think it's 80 yards, 82 yards. I think it's about 80 yards, but we're going to shoot, see how they group up there at about 80 yards. If I can get my hold over right. But this pile driver seems to, mine anyway, seems to like the heavier slugs. I get, well, one reason why it's so powerful, it pushes the heavier slugs out a little bit better than it does, well, really, the lighter slugs, it shoots them too fast. And there's no way to cut the power down on this gun. So we're going, like I say, we're going to shoot 3 shots up there at 80 yards. Okay, that shot high. I take it the next 2 is probably going to shoot just a little bit low, because this thing uses a lot of air. Well, when it gets done swinging there, we'll shoot it again. But that thing swinging back and forwards, it ain't going to shoot right. But like I say, this thing is a powerhouse too. Okay, we're going to go ahead and shoot anyway. Looks like it hit the same place. Yeah, let's let it quit swinging just a little bit, and then we'll go again. I think that one hit the same place, but we're going to go see together of what it done up there. While I'm here, I want to give a big shout out to Neal Tressler from Custom Lead Solutions for supplying me with this ammo to test in my 45 Hatsan pile driver. I want to thank Chad Simon of Lethal Air for sponsoring me. He's a good fella to, like I say, to work with too, and everything. So if you need anything, give him a call. And then, like I say, I want to give a shout out to Ben Tack of AEA Air Guns. He's been good to me too to test a few things. One of the things I'd like to test that new long range 45 caliber Macar that he's got, and just see how good it shoots. But like I say, we're going up here and we're going up here and see what it done at 80 yards. I would have had my Tacticam on my scope, but that scope has got a lighted crosshairs in it and got the knob on top of it, and none of my so it won't fit on there. So I'm walking with this camera up here to show you. there's some of my targets there. Of course, then I got that one, and I got my little groundhog there. Then I got my coyote up there. Okay. That one hit low, yep. But here's the two that I shot. Here's the two that I shot. This is the first one, second one. Then here's the third one. Like I say, that thing uses a lot of air. It did drop. You would have to hold up high just a little bit to get it. But that one right there, it would have been up there if I'd have had a little bit higher. It would have. If I'd had a little bit higher, it'd have been up there with them. But as you can see, it does like them too from Neal Tressler. 350 grains. But like I say, that third one down there, right there, would have been up there. With the rest of them, if I'd have held just a little bit higher. Because like I say, that thing uses a lot of air at one time. But that's a pretty good, that's still a dead deer. If you was hunting, yeah, a dead deer. Of course, targets there, and then I've got some more up there. There's a group that I shot on that 100 yards. I think that was with the 357. And then over here, up there, well, I have to walk up here just a little bit for you to see, but this one here, that one there with that white gopher on it there that you see, up there, that is the 150 yards or the 200 yards. I can either shoot 150 or 200 yards with that one. But I like this little range. I mean, I can shoot a vary of yardages. I got that one there, of course, and then that one. And then Mr. Coyote. Then I got my other two there, and then got that one up there. That one up there I think's 120 maybe, 115 or 120 yards. But anyway, I figured I'd make this video of it today and show y'all how good them shoots in my Hatsan pile driver. This is a muskrat air gunner. Please like and subscribe.